Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pin a tweet on Twitter. So for instance, I want to pin this tweet, so I'm going to press these three dots on the top right, sort of next to like my username, and I'm just going to press pin to your profile. Pin this tweet. This will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned tweet. Are you sure? And press pin. Go back, and as you can see, it is the pinned tweet. To unpin, you are going to do the exact same thing. Press these three dots and press unpin from profile. This is going to pop up, are you sure, and press unpin. And that is it. Super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!